1 in 5 homeowners will face bankruptcy at some point in their lives. This alarming statistic highlights a harsh reality. Financial stability can crumble, even for those with a seemingly secure home. The stress of mounting bills and mortgage payments can be overwhelming. Losing your home is devastating. It's not just about the physical structure, it's about the memories, the sense of security, and the future you envisioned. It impacts your family, your credit, and your future. A poor credit score can affect your ability to rent, buy a car, or even get a job. Understanding bankruptcy is crucial for all homeowners. This isn't about fear-mongering, it's about empowerment. Knowledge of the process can help you navigate these tough times. We'll explore the reasons behind homeowner bankruptcy. From job loss to medical emergencies, there are many factors that can lead to financial ruin. We'll examine the legal maze and its impact. The legal jargon and paperwork can be confusing, but understanding it is essential. And most importantly, we'll equip you with the knowledge to protect your most valuable asset, your home. Remember, knowledge is power. Attending workshops and seeking advice can make a significant difference. By understanding the potential pitfalls, you can make informed decisions to safeguard your financial future. Let's dive in and arm ourselves with the information needed to face the unexpected challenges ahead.
Yeah, job loss, medical emergencies, and divorce can hit hard. These are some of the most common reasons people find themselves facing financial ruin. It's important to know these risks so you can be prepared. Understanding these factors can help you take proactive steps to safeguard your financial future. S1. Life is unpredictable. No matter how much you plan, unexpected events can throw you off course. Unexpected events can quickly derail even the most well-planned budgets. A sudden job loss or a medical emergency can create a financial crisis. For homeowners, these events can lead to a financial downward spiral, ultimately resulting in bankruptcy. The loss of a steady income can make it impossible to keep up with mortgage payments. Job loss is a major culprit. Losing your job can be devastating, especially if you don't have an emergency fund to fall back on. A steady income can vanish overnight, leaving mortgage payments and bills unpaid. This can quickly lead to mounting debt and financial instability. Medical emergencies are another significant factor. Even with insurance, the cost of medical care can be overwhelming. Unexpected illnesses can bring overwhelming medical debt, even with insurance. The high cost of treatment can drain your savings and leave you struggling to pay other bills. Divorce also contributes to homeowner bankruptcy. The process of splitting assets and income can be financially draining. Splitting assets and income can strain finances, making it difficult to maintain mortgage payments. The added legal fees and potential loss of income can exacerbate the situation. These are just a few examples. There are many other factors that can contribute to financial hardship and bankruptcy. The key takeaway? Life throws curveballs. It's essential to be prepared for the unexpected. Understanding the potential risks is the first step towards mitigating them. By being aware of these common causes, you can take steps to protect yourself and your financial future.
Meet the Johnsons, a hardworking family who faced a financial nightmare. John, a construction worker, lost his job due to an economic downturn. His wife Sarah worked part-time, but their income wasn't enough to cover their mortgage and bills. Medical bills from John's recent accident added to their burden. They depleted their savings, borrowed from family, but it wasn't enough. They faced foreclosure.
We felt lost and ashamed. We didn't know where to turn.
The Johnson story is, unfortunately, not unique. It highlights the devastating impact of unforeseen circumstances on homeowners. Their experience underscores the importance of understanding bankruptcy and the options available. Bankruptcy is a legal process that provides relief from overwhelming debt. For homeowners, it can offer a lifeline, but navigating the complexities requires understanding the different types. Chapter 7. Bankruptcy, also known as liquidation bankruptcy, allows debtors to sell non-exempt assets to pay off creditors. While it provides a fresh start, it may result in losing your home if you have significant equity.
Chapter 13, Bankruptcy or Reorganization Bankruptcy, allows debtors to keep their assets, including their homes, by creating a repayment plan. This option is suitable for those with regular income and a desire to keep their homes. Choosing the right chapter is crucial.
Protecting your haven, the automatic stay and exemptions. Filing for bankruptcy triggers an automatic stay. This legal protection prohibits creditors from pursuing debt collection, including foreclosure proceedings. It provides breathing room to reorganize finances and explore options.
Bankruptcy laws also provide exemptions which protect certain assets from liquidation. These exemptions vary by state but often include a portion of home equity, ensuring you retain some value from your property. Understanding these protections is vital for homeowners facing bankruptcy. It's crucial to consult with a qualified bankruptcy attorney to determine the specific exemptions applicable in your state.
The Mortgage Mountain Modification, Deferment, and Forbearance. Before resorting to bankruptcy, explore alternatives to manage your mortgage. Loan modification allows you to negotiate new terms with your lender, potentially reducing your monthly payments.
Deferment postpones payments for a specific period, typically due to hardship. Forbearance allows temporary reduced or suspended payments while you regain financial footing. Communicate with your lender as soon as you anticipate difficulties. They may offer assistance or work with you to find a solution. Remember, lenders want to avoid foreclosure if possible. Proactive communication is key.
The ticking clock. Dealing with foreclosure. Foreclosure occurs when homeowners fail to make mortgage payments, leading to the lender seizing and selling the property. It's a stressful and emotionally draining process, but understanding your rights is crucial.
The foreclosure process and timeline vary by state. However, you'll receive notices from the lender, have opportunities to reinstate the loan, and may even qualify for relocation assistance. Ignoring foreclosure notices won't make it go away. It's essential to seek legal advice immediately. A qualified attorney can explain your options, protect your rights, and potentially negotiate with the lender on your behalf.
Seeking expert guidance. The importance of legal and financial advice. Navigating bankruptcy and foreclosure is complex and overwhelming. Don't go it alone. Seek professional guidance from a qualified bankruptcy attorney and a financial advisor.
An attorney can explain your legal options, ensure you meet all requirements, and represent you in court. A financial advisor can help you create a budget, explore debt management strategies, and develop a plan to rebuild your finances.
Remember, you're not alone. Many resources and organizations provide free or low-cost assistance to homeowners facing financial hardship. Seeking expert guidance can make a significant difference in protecting your home and your future. Silver linings. Rebuilding credit and finances after bankruptcy. Bankruptcy has a significant impact on your credit score, making it challenging to obtain loans or credit cards in the future. However, it's not the end of the road. You can rebuild your credit and financial health over time. Start by creating a realistic budget and sticking to it. Consider secured credit cards or credit builder loans to establish positive credit history. Focus on making timely payments and reducing debt. Rebuilding credit takes time and effort, but it's achievable. Remember, bankruptcy doesn't define you. It's a bump in the road, and with determination, you can overcome it and achieve financial stability. Prevention is key proactive steps to safeguard your home. Prevention is always better than cure. Take proactive steps to safeguard your home and finances from the threat of bankruptcy.
Establish an emergency fund to cover unexpected expenses. Review your insurance coverage regularly to ensure adequate protection. Live within your means and avoid unnecessary debt. Create a realistic budget and track your spending.
Remember, knowledge is power. By understanding the risks and taking proactive steps, you can significantly reduce the likelihood of facing bankruptcy and protect your most valuable asset, your home. A brighter future, hope, and resources for homeowners in distress. In times of financial hardship, it's easy to feel overwhelmed and isolated. Facing the prospect of bankruptcy and losing your home is daunting. The fear and uncertainty can be paralyzing, making it hard to see a way out. However, remember that you're not alone, and there's hope. Many have faced similar challenges and found a path forward. Numerous resources and organizations are available to provide support and guidance during these challenging times. These organizations are dedicated to helping you keep your home and regain financial stability. Nonprofit credit counseling agencies offer free or low-cost advice on budgeting, debt management, and foreclosure prevention. They can help you create a plan tailored to your specific situation. Government programs provide assistance with mortgage payments, utility bills, and other housing-related expenses. These programs are designed to offer relief and give you the breathing room you need to get back on your feet. Don't hesitate to reach out for help. Taking the first step can be the hardest, but it's also the most crucial. There's no shame in seeking assistance when you need it. Everyone needs a helping hand at some point in their lives. Remember, there's light at the end of the tunnel. Every challenge is an opportunity to grow and become stronger. With the right resources and support, you can navigate these challenges and emerge stronger on the other side. Together, we can build a brighter future.